So the recipe says that Hello and welcome back to Life with Braya. I'm Braya and this is my little sister Brenna. And that's my boyfriend Joe. Hi! This is another segment of Baking with Braya, and today we are going to be making sugar cookies. We have all of our ingredients. We have flour, sugars, we have egg whites instead of eggs, and we have vanilla, and we also have baking powder. We need 1 cup butter, and then a cup of sugar, and we're going to mix it all together. Dump that in there. And then Brenna's going to be on mixing duty. Mix that together. We need 1 teaspoon vanilla. That's not a tablespoon.
Not a tablespoon.
So, is that a tablespoon?
A teaspoon. It says half.
It says half.
Well, give me 2.
We need 2. So, now that the vanilla is added, we are going to also add in and now we're going to add in our egg.
Ew, no.
How much? Now, you need 1 egg, so just freehand.
Okay.
We're supposed to be using
Actual
an
egg.
actual egg, but we don't have any. So we're using egg whites.
They don't have it.
So we're going to see how it turns out. We're going to add in 3 cups of flour and then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. The recipe says that the dough is going to be a little bit dry. If it is dry, then you can add a little bit of water and then keep mixing. For the recipe, it says that the dough should be the same consistency as Play-Doh, so it's going to be pretty dry.
What they thought a teaspoon was gonna do?
So the mixture is really dry, so Brenna's just gonna mix it with her hands and try to get it to form into dough that's like easily pliable. We're adding a lot of water because it is very dry.
I think it just called for like way too much flour.
I think there was a lot of flour, but we also didn't use as much butter as we were supposed to use, so there's probably a lot of factors. Anyways, these are going to go into the oven at 350 for 6 to 8 minutes. We didn't use enough butter or egg, so, should we add some more egg?
That is not natural.
I think we need to add some more sugar. Pretty much looks and feels like wet Play-Doh. So we're gonna see how these turn out. This is supposed to be like an easy recipe, but so far it looks pretty gross. That's what it looks like. You're ugly for that. I don't care, they watch me for the comedy. They watch me for the drama.
We're not good at this, y'all. Ew, what's on my ring?
It's nice that you're here because I don't have to do any of the work.
Yeah, I was gonna say, how was I the baker there?
Ooh. So, we made it to 100 subscribers. Congratulations to us. Congratulations to us. So now it's time for our giveaway. The giveaway video will be posted next Wednesday. And there's going to be 2 winners, so make sure you subscribe right now so that you can be entered into this giveaway. Because I have not decided who's the winner yet, so if you subscribe today, you can be entered into the giveaway. Okay, the dough is now ready. Get it close to the camera so they can see. We think it's ready. Smack that. Feels like Play-Doh. So, now we are going to form cookies. About this size. Alrighty, now it's time to put them into the oven. And now we wait for 6 to 8 minutes. So now the cookies have come out of the oven and they've been cooling for a little bit. So I'm going to test them and see if they taste good or if they're not so good. Okay, so they look like this. They look pretty good. They're a little pale, so I don't know if they need to be cooked a little bit more. Let's see. These are pretty good. They're actually pretty good. They're kind of falling apart though. They're like not as soft as I want them to be, but like they're not that bad either. The flavor's good, not too sweet, but it's still sweet enough to be considered like a cookie. Overall, I like it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next week on Wednesday for the giveaway reveal. Bye, guys.